How to add link in TikTok bio. First things first, open up your TikTok app and make sure you're logged in. Once you're logged in, find the Me icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it, and it'll take you to your profile page. Now, on your profile page, you'll see an Edit Profile button. Give it a tap. This is where you can make changes to your profile info. Scroll down a bit, and you'll come across a section labeled Add a Bio. Tap on it. Get the link you want to add and simply paste it into the bio section. It could be a link to your YouTube channel, Instagram profile, or any other website you want to share. Once you've pasted your link, don't forget to hit the Save button at the top right corner of the screen. This makes sure your changes are locked in. TikTok also lets you directly connect your YouTube or Instagram accounts. If you want to do that, there are options for it right there on the screen. That's it, you're all set. Now, anyone who visits your TikTok profile can click on the link you added and go straight to wherever you want to send them. Thanks for tuning in to learn how to add a link to your TikTok bio. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Your feedback means the world to us, so drop your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to level up your TikTok game. Until next time.